Okay, this is a TFY milling machine. It's got a 49-inch table, so it's a bit bigger travel than a normal Bridgeport milling machine. It's got a variable speed head and power feed in the quill. Plus it's got a 2-axis DRO system made by Mitutoyo, this one. This machine's in good conditions, a few little marks on the table, but nothing major. The beds are in really great condition here. They're lovely all the way across. You can still see all the scrapings, really nice condition. So what I'm going to go through now, I'm going to go through the machine and just show you it working. And obviously please come down and see it for yourself in real life. Okay, so power feed in the X. It's variable speed. So rapid override. That's working great. Okay, so in the Y-axis, it's lovely and smooth all the way across. There's a little bit of backlash, but nothing major at all. It's really good condition. Same with the knee. Knee's lovely and smooth as well. Winds up great. That's all working wonderfully. Okay, so moving on from the lower part of the machine to the higher part, I'll just turn that handle around so I don't walk into it. Okay, so the variable speed head being tested now, and then the quill. So running around 450 RPM we're in 50 RPM in low range now. So that's 115 RPM. That's up to 250. And all the way to the top, which is 315 RPM. Middle distance, and I'll reverse the spindle. Hit the brake just to show you it works. It's just as quiet in reverse. Okay, so swapping back from low to high now. Before we do that, we'll go to the neutral position. Neutral's all there, and that's working fine. So if you need to clock up a PCD, the neutral is there for you. Okay, locking it into high range. Make sure it's locked in before you fire up. Firing up in high. We're spinning now at around 1,000 RPM. So that's the lowest, 455 RPM. And that's 2,500. Back down to 1.8. 1,000. And I'll reverse the spindle as well. It's just as quiet in reverse. I'll go all the way up and down the range for you. Lowest. 2,500. Back down to 1.8. And there's 1,000 RPM. So, engage the feed, take the lock off. I'll just reverse that. There we go, it's feeding down. Okay. So feeds down just fine. We will replace the ruler for you as well before it ships. And there is a guard for the table which will be installed before shipping. So please come down and see it for yourself in real life. It's a nice machine at the right price.